Hello and welcome to this training series for Zoho EMR for psychiatric practices. In this video, we're going to talk about booking an appointment with your patients and how you can direct them to book appointment directly with you. Now, the first option for your patients is to go to the generic booking page, which is basically has all the consultant available. Now, if we load this or reload this page now, you're gonna have the list of the basic services. For these services, we have a process in place that they can book the appointment and pay later, and this is usually the process we're gonna follow. So once they access this page, they're gonna select the service itself. For example, like here, the 90 minutes initial evaluation. Now, the important thing here to ask your patients to select the consultant. So by default, the system will automatically assign the consultant based on the consultant availability, but you can ask the client or the patient directly to select your name. So this appointment will show only your availability, and they will be able to book appointment directly with you. Now once they select the time that works for them, eventually, like this time, this is in their own time zone. So right now, for example, I'm in New York time zone, the Eastern time zone. This shows the time in my own time zone. This will automatically convert to your time zone, and it shows the availability from your time zone. So don't be confused about that. The system will automatically convert the timing based on the consultant availability and the preferences of the patient. Now, after selecting the time, the client will be asked to be either a guest to sign up or sign in. In general, they can just be a guest, and then they fill up their information, their email address, and their phone number, their date of birth. I'm going to add any date here. Reason for visit is just optional. It's going to be shown in the appointment information. And then they can pay now or pay later. Usually they're going to select pay later. They need to check this box and schedule the appointment. So that's the first way when you send the generic booking page to your patient, and they're going to just need to select your record or your ID from the consultant, from the available consultant, to be able to book appointment directly with you. Now we have another page that just dedicated for you directly. So in this case, they don't need to select the consultant. If they select, for example, like this is 90 minutes, the appointment automatically, as you can see here, like will be booked with Sarah Ahmed. So because this is your own booking page, they don't need to select the consultant they're going to work with. Similarly, they're going to select the time. They have the option to sign up or sign in or stay as a guest. Guest is more than enough. They fill up the same information, and then let's pay later and again schedule the appointment. So this is a very quick overview on how to book or how to ask your patients to book appointments with you. Just make sure, like when they choose the your own booking page, there are a couple of other services. I don't want the patients to be confused with. This is the one without logos is just for follow-up, and this is going to be used internally, but we have to keep it like available online. We cannot hide it from here. So just ask them to select the service with the logo on.